Well, hi, welcome to InfoComm 2018. This is Craig Breckenridge with Earthworks. And a new product came out last November. It's shown quite a bit of interest is our Earthworks DK7 drum full kit package. So Earthworks and drums have gone way back together because of the very fast transient response of our microphones and the way we capture complex harmonic details such as in cymbals, and also our great pattern. So we have minimal comb filtering in multiple mic situations. So what we're showing here is a complete package solution with 4 tom mics, 2 of our SR25 overheads. The tom mics are called DM20s, that's the new product. And we also have a new kick drum mic called an SR20LS, which looks like basically like an elongated SR25, but the LS stands for low sensitivity. So it'll take up to 150 dB of sound pressure level, and with added windscreen protection, so it's perfectly at home inside your kick drum. The whole kit streets out at $29.99, and you have Earthworks quality, previously only attainable in a package costing over $8,000. So they sound great. You can see them all over the place online, and our artist endorsees love them. So yeah, if you want to see more, come to visit our website, www.earthworksaudio.com.